Good night, all. I will tell you the plot of the film entitled Inside Out 2. Riley, now a teenager, so her life is starting to get way more complicated. At first, everything still run by the OG emotions: joy, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust. They're used to handling Riley's feeling, even if they argue sometimes. But things flip when Riley hits puberty and her mind suddenly goes through a renovation, making the emotion headquarters super chaotic. Out of nowhere, new emotions show up: anxiety, envy, embarrassment, and ennui. They act, they act like they are super important because they think Riley needs extra protection as she enters her 10 years. NCD instantly becomes the bossy one and starts taking control. Joy and the others are shocked because it feels like their spot is being taken over. Soon enough, NCT Full takes charge and basically kicks Joy and the old emotion out of headquarters. That's when Riley becomes more anxious, everything overthinking, and starts feeling like she's never got enough. NCT wants everything to be perfect, which ends up stressing Riley even more. Meanwhile, Joy and the gang have to travel across Relay Mine to get back to the control center. On the way, Joy begins to understand that Relay isn't a little kid anymore. The new emotions are not totally wrong, they are just overdoing it. Joy realizes that Relay identity has to grow and be built together with all the emotion, not just led by one. They all need to work as a team so Relay can stay true to herself. In the end, Joy and City and the rest of the emotions finally learn to work together. Relay becomes more balanced and starts to understand that feeling a mix of emotion is totally normal, especially for teens. Her identity becomes more mature. She stays confident but also accepts that it's okay to feel anxious sometimes. What matters is keeping everything in balance. In my opinion, Inside Out 2 is a super relatable movie, especially for teenagers. It really shows that growing up isn't just about getting older, but also about having way more things going on inside out your head. The new emotions like anxiety and envy make it clear that teenage years are full of mixed feelings. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes embarrassed, and sometimes you are just overthinking everything. What I really like is that the movie doesn't treat any emotion as the bad one. Even anxiety will look like the troublemaker is actually just trying too hard to protect Relay. I think that's such a good message. Every emotion has a purpose and none of them deserve to be pushed away. We just need to learn how to keep them balanced. Joy's journey is also pretty touching. Watching her try to accept change reminds me that we all grow and evolve over time. Sometimes we have to let go of the old version of ourselves and accept and accept the new one. It's not easy, but it's part of growing up. The movie also makes me realize that identity is not something you figure out instantly. It's built through experience, memories, and all kinds of emotions. And it's totally okay if you feel confused or unsure along the way. Overall, Inside Out 2 is fun, funny, and surprisingly emotional. It teaches you it teaches us to understand ourselves better and accept that every feeling, whether it's good or uncomfortable, is still an important part of who we are. If you watch it, you will probably think, yeah, that's literally me. And then I recommend this movie Inside Out 2 because it's not just fun to watch but also super relatable. The movie shows what it really feels like to grow up dealing with anxiety, overthinking, envy, and all the emotion we usually don't know how to explain. It teaches that even the negative emotions have an important role and that understanding them can actually help us understand ourselves better. The story is easy to follow, the humor is good, and the way the visual relay mind is really creative. I also recommend it because the characters feel alive and the movie has the perfect balance of comedy and meaningful moments. It's like an entertaining but still has scenes that make you think and maybe even get a little emotional. Overall, it's a heartwarming film that connects with real feelings and is enjoyable for all ages. Great for anyone who wants a movie that's fun, relatable, and uplifting. So, I apologize if my pronunciation is wrong or unclear, and thank you for listening.